Introducing the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper, your kitchen's new best friend. This all-in-one tool revolutionizes food prep with its versatile functions: spiralizing, slicing, dicing, and chopping. Say goodbye to tedious tasks and hello to efficiency. With its 9-in-1 design and stylish white finish, it's a standout addition to any kitchen. Transform your veggies into perfect shapes effortlessly while keeping your workspace tidy, thanks to the built-in container. Whether you're whipping up salads, stir-fries, or snacks, this chopper streamlines the process, saving you time and effort. Upgrade your culinary game with the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper today. Introducing our comprehensive 35-piece kitchen utensils set, designed to elevate your cooking experience to new heights. Crafted with the highest quality materials, including heat-resistant food-grade silicone and ergonomic wooden handles, each utensil in this set is built to last and provide superior performance. From everyday essentials like spoons and spatulas to specialized tools like graters and tongs, we've thoughtfully included everything you need to tackle any recipe with confidence. Whether you're sautéing, flipping, stirring, or grating, our utensils are designed to meet the demands of modern cooking while ensuring your non-stick cookware remains pristine. Our utensils boast a perfect balance of functionality and style, with sleek designs and elegant finishes that will complement any kitchen decor. The ergonomic wooden handles provide a comfortable grip, allowing you to maneuver with ease and precision as you cook up a storm in the kitchen. We understand that cooking should be enjoyable, which is why we've carefully curated this set to streamline your culinary adventures. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out on your cooking journey, our kitchen utensils set has everything you need to whip up delicious meals for yourself, your family, and your friends. Invest in quality, versatility, and style with our kitchen utensils set today, and take your cooking skills to the next level. Introducing the Hunter Dual 15-piece knife set with block, a must-have for any kitchen. Each knife is meticulously crafted for precision and durability, featuring a self-sharpening design to ensure blades stay sharp. With dishwasher-safe construction and anti-slip handles, cleaning and handling are a breeze. The sleek black finish adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen decor. From chef's knives to utility knives, this set covers all your cutting needs with style and efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, the Hunter Dual knife set promises to elevate your culinary experience. Introducing the JOYMOP Mop and Bucket with Wringer set, a revolutionary cleaning solution designed to simplify your household chores. This hands-free white flat squeeze mop bucket is engineered for both floor and wall cleaning, ensuring versatility in every swipe. Its long handle provides effortless reach, reducing strain on your back and arms during cleaning sessions. With 3 reusable microfiber pads included, you'll have everything you need to tackle stubborn dirt and grime effectively. Whether it's spills on the kitchen floor or stains on bathroom walls, this set offers unparalleled convenience and performance. Upgrade to the JOYMOP Mop and Bucket set today and experience the joy of hassle-free cleaning. Keep your home pristine and gleaming with ease, thanks to this innovative cleaning companion. Say goodbye to traditional mopping woes and embrace a new era of cleanliness and efficiency in your household. Introducing the Simply Magic 60-liter/16-gallon rectangular hands-free dual-compartment recycling kitchen step trash can. This innovative trash can simplifies waste management with its dual compartments, enabling easy separation of recyclables and regular waste. Its hands-free step mechanism ensures hygienic disposal, while the soft-close lid minimizes noise disturbance in your kitchen. Crafted from durable brushed stainless steel, it not only withstands daily use but also adds a touch of elegance to your space. With a generous capacity of 60 liters, 16 gallons, it reduces the frequency of emptying, making it perfect for busy households. Upgrade your kitchen with the Simply Magic Recycling Kitchen Step Trash Can and embrace a more organized and eco-friendly approach to waste disposal.